Mga bikers po.
Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Marikina para sa National
Huwag po natin kakalimutan po mag-attendance po sa mga nag-online and also may walking
Congresswoman Stella Kim. Of course, nandito ang RB40.
Basayan nyo, kaya baka...
Yung kasi first 500 participants, meron mga free t-shirt at saka tumbler. So naka-line kami. Ito ang red, RB40. Si Eric. Morning. Si Yarnel. Si Mark. Si Rene. And si Shaco de Celso. Celso de Shaco. So ito guys yung registration. Online. Online. Magre-register dito yung mga naka-online. Ako rin nagkaroon na online. Hindi ba rito? Registration. Para sa t-shirt and sa tumbler. 8 kilometer ride lang to. Short ride lang. So guys, dito
Sige
na.
po, pasuot na lamang po ng ating mga t-shirt po
And yun, so free t-shirt para sa lahat ng participants.
Sige po, yung iba po tumpo po sa dulo. Malawak po yan, ayan po. Sige po, dire-diretso po.
Yan guys, naka-t-shirt na kami lahat.
Ba't hindi ba para sumama sa grad?
Puyat.
Puyat.
Anong gano?
Napuyat.
So nasa formation na kami. Again, 8 kilometer ride lang ito. So samahan niyo kami guys. Magra-ride dito. JP Rizal ride dito sa may Marikina River. Dito pala dadaan. So ito yung Marikina River, ito yung ilalim. Then lalabas ulit. Siyempre buong Marikina lang to. Okay, then right dito. JP Rizal. Bilis sila ah. Tutulin.
Hindi nga nakakainit yung tapunto. Nakarera naman ito. Bilis.
Wan Chang Yung ko. Wan Chang Yung pasulit na kanila. Marikina Heights na guys. Bayanan natin na kami guys. Dito na ulit kami. Kung saan nag-start. Pupunta naman kami sa Bridgetown, kay Victor. Kaya si Shaho doon. Time check, it's 7:12. So madaling natapos yung ride. dahil maiksi na naman yung route. So punta muna kami kay Victor dahil nabitin yata itong mga to. So punta muna kami sa Bridgetown. So mag-cross lang kami. Oo. Kaya pa tayo dadaan? Okay. Nag-footbridge na lang kami guys. So medyo mahirap pahunin to. So nag-footbridge na lang kami lahat. Kaya nandito guys, sa Pasig, walang bike lane. Dapat maglagay din dito si Mayor Bico ng bike lane. Okay, so Santola na kami. May bike lane din, wala nang linya. May bike lane din pala guys, kaya lang walang line. May nakalagay lang ng drawing ng bike. Ito na kami guys, sa Bridgetown. Robinson's Bridgetown. Actually kagabi nandito kami. And may event dito. Kaya lang kagabi ang daming tao dito.
Pinatibay lang ang pundasyon.
Yan guys, si Victor.
Kasi taas niya yan. Kung gano'n kasing taas yan, ganun din naman taas ang ukay niyan.
Mall of Victors.
Victor! Victor! Victor!
Alis na kami dito guys. Punta naman kami na Alcobia. Dito yung National Bike Day. So last day ngayon. Tingin lang kami. Silip lang. Ito yung Bridgetown Mall. Ganda dyan. Ito yung bike lane talaga. Yeah, so dito kami magkakross. Sa Arcobia City.
Ang Casera, ito ang Arcobia.
Ito ang McDonald's ay nagpapay sa Tina Landers. Ayan, Hyco. The National Bike Day. Yankee. Dito rin ang buha. Cycling community. Bike park. Mga bike park dito, mga classic. Yan, mga classic bike. Road bike. Racer. Dati ang tawag dito ay racer. Yan. Fan 7. Ay, tara, kain tayo.
The question is, why do we ride bike?
Yeah, what do you like about it?
We ride a bike for our health, for our health, to meet new friends. Since this is all started, this cycling community started during after the pandemic. There's no way of transportation, so most of us ride the bike for going to work, sometimes going to school. This is the only way the fastest way to mean of transportation, the bike. So they started so many groups. Then up to now, after the pandemic, then we started we continue our cycling. And then we started only on the short route, and now we come with beginning to start for a much longer ride. And because mostly we have done this for our health.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. And if there is one thing about cycling infrastructure in Manila, Metro Manila, that you would like to improve, or
More
cycling culture, maybe, what would it be?
More
What do you think?
improvement for the bike lanes.
Yeah.
Even there's a bike lane, but the condition of the road is
There's not
good.
much respect from
Yes. Then we need to add more convenient for the cycling community. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thanks a lot for your time.
Hi guys.
Hi,
Hello.
They are from the Netherlands.
Netherlands and Italy, yes.
Italy.
They're
Yes.
also cyclists.
The name of
Yeah.
the name of your page.
So you can find
Go Mobility. They're one of the organizers of this event.
Yes, and we've been doing some trainings for LGUs here, CSOs, to teach what they can learn from European cycling countries, how to plan lanes, how to make policies, and how to make promotional schemes. So to really contribute to a better cycling culture here.
Yeah, that's good. So when is the next event?
We are going to do some award recognition at 10 a.m. So that's in 90 minutes.
Oh, okay.
So you are welcome to join. It's probably on the main stage here.
Yeah, you're right.
And we hope that cyclist groups like yourselves can also motivate your governments, the LGUs, the national departments, DOTR, DPWH, to also keep asking for better cycling conditions and delivery, because apparently there is a demand.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, thank you very much. Can I post this?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Have a nice
Thank you.
day. You too.
guys. Bye.
Yes.
Enjoy the bike day.
Yes. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.